Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash advances from Discover credit cards responsibly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw cash advances from your Discover credit card responsibly, start by checking your credit card's cash advance limit. Log into your Discover account online or through the mobile app. Locate the cash advance limit section to understand how much you can withdraw. Consider the cash advance fees that apply, which usually vary from card to card. Remember that cash advances typically incur higher interest rates compared to regular purchases. Plan your withdrawal amount carefully to avoid exceeding your cash advance limit. Visit an ATM that accepts Discover cards. Insert your credit card into the ATM. Enter your personal identification number, PIN, when prompted. Select the option for a cash withdrawal. Input the amount you wish to withdraw within your cash advance limit. Confirm the transaction and collect your cash. Keep the receipt for your records to track your spending. Make a note of the transaction to ensure you pay off the cash advance as soon as possible. Aim to pay off the cash advance before the next billing cycle to minimize interest charges. Monitor your account balance closely after the withdrawal to avoid exceeding your credit limit. By following these steps, you can manage cash advances from your Discover credit card effectively and responsibly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.